Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Athatic. I hope you all viewers will be fine and enjoying my videos. Dear friends, dear viewers, here in this video I will discuss the Monosomy, Trisomy and Polysomy. So keep watching my YouTube channel, keep watching my videos for a very amazing lectures of pathophysiology that you will easily get, you will easily understand my all lectures. So dear friends, dear viewers, here this is my another video with a amazing topic of monosomy, trisomy and polysomy. So here basically monosomy is trisomy is refers to the presence of three copies. Tri mean three copies instead of the normal two of a particular chromosome. The presence of an extra chromosome 21 which is found in Down syndrome is called trisomy 21. So trisomy 18 and trisomy 13, known as Edwards syndrome and Patau syndrome respectively, are the two other autosomal trisomies recognized in live-born humans. Trisomy of the sex chromosome is possible, such as N47, XXX, XXY, and XYY. Monosomy is the condition of having a child having a diploid chromosome complement in which one chromosome lacks its homologous partner. While polysomy, it is a condition in which an organism has at least one more chromosome than normal. That is, there may be three or more copies of the chromosome rather than the expected two copies. Aneuploidy, it is the presence of abnormal number of chromosomes in a cell which can result from the loss or gain of one chromosome or more chromosome. There may be fewer chromosome or as in Turner syndrome, like one X chromosome is missing in females and only one X chromosome is present, or more chromosomes, such as in Down syndrome, like 3 copies of chromosome 21 is present. Such individuals have various abnormal physiological and morphological traits. Aneuploidy is a cellular condition in which instead of 2 chromosomes you have either a missing or extra chromosome for one of the autosome 1 to 22 or 6 chromosome. A variety of genetic abnormalities that can cause problems can be traced to aneuploidy. Examples of aneuploidy are trisomy 13, Patau syndrome, trisomy 21, Down syndrome, and trisomy 18, which is a Turner syndrome. It can occur with 6 chromosome 2 if a person is missing all or part of the X chromosome X0 instead of XX chromosome. They will be female but suffer from Turner syndrome and may have many health conditions including infertility. Klinefelter is a condition in male where they have an extra X chromosome XXY. While Down syndrome is a chromosomal disorder caused by an error in cell division that results in an extra 21st chromosome, the condition leads to impairments in both cognitive ability and physical growth that range from mild to moderate developmental disabilities. Though through a series of screening and tests, Down syndrome can be detected before and after a baby is born. It is named after John Langdon Down, the British doctor who described the syndrome in 1866. The disorder was identified as a chromosome 21 trisomy by Jerome Lejeune. in 1959. While Down syndrome, if you talk about the pathophysiology of trisomy 21 non-disjunction, so it can occur due to the non-disjunction, and also it can occur due to the translocation. The most common cause of Down syndrome, about 95% of cases, is trisomy 21, which results from the non-disjunction event during cell division. Normally, during the formation of reproductive cells, sperm and eggs, the chromosomes separate into equal groups. In the case of trisomy 21, an error occurs during cell division, and a pair of chromosome 21 fails to separate properly. As a result, one of the reproductive cells ends up with an extra copy of chromosome 21, leading to a total of 3 copies instead of the usual 2. While in the translocation, it occurs in about 3 to 4% of cases. Down syndrome is caused by a translocation where a part of the chromosome 21 breaks off and attaches itself to another chromosome. In this scenario, individuals still have the usual 2 copies of chromosome 21, but the extra genetic material is present on another chromosome. If one of the parents carries this translocation, there is an increased risk of having a child with Down syndrome. If we talk about the clinical manifestation, so in the clinical manifestation, small stature and short neck, flat nasal bridge, single deep creases across the center of the form, large tongue, small mouth, large space between large and second toe, congenital heart defects, spacing abnormalities of the teeth, high arch palate, mental retardation, muscle weakness and hypotonia, growth retardation, small nose, transverse simian palmar crease. So this was all about the polysomy, monosomy and trisomy. Here we will discuss the chromosome structure and their different changes in the structure of chromosome. Now till we had discussed the chromosome changes in the chromosomal number, and now I will discuss the structural changes in the chromosome. So any type of change in structure of a normal chromosome is referred to structural chromosomal aberration. These changes are also known as chromosomal mutations or structural chromosomal changes. It may take place in both somatic as well as in germ cells. It occurs during interphase or early prophase. It occurs due to breakage and reunion of the chromosomes segments caused by radiations or chemicals. Structural changes causes changes in phenotype, fertility, viability, and karyotype of an individual. Chromosome normal structure are telomere, short arm, centromere, permanent structure, protective the chromosome from the damage, long arm, chromosome DNA partly coiled around the proteins. So there are different types of structural changes, but here I will just take the name of these changes and we will discuss these all changes in the next video. So here the chromosomal changes are, there are 4 types of main chromosomal changes. The first one is deletion or deficiency, while the second change is duplication, in which the copy of the same chromosome or the copy of the segment of a chromosome is made. The third one is inversion. In the inversion process we will discuss in the next video in the detail, and the fourth one is translocation. So these 4 structural changes we will discuss in the next video. I hope you will like my video. I hope you will understand my video. If you are watching my YouTube channel Athartic, and you are watching my videos, and if my videos are helpful for you, then I kindly request you to please do subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon of my YouTube channel Athatic to get the informational video on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Goodbye. Take care of yourself.